And with that,
are you recording?
yeah. And with that, I'm welcoming you to Six Flags Magic Mountain.
You're recording when
Yeah.
you posted the iPad cam.
But we're at Magic Mountain. It's gonna be a busy day, obviously. We got two people behind us. Yeah, I know. Oh man, competition.
Well, we're busy. We're half an hour early.
Yeah, that's true. California does do things, but we're in. Well, we're not in.
Representing my home park.
Oh yeah, you are. And Aaron can finally take off that shirt after today. After the ride, you can just go shirtless for the rest of the day if you want. All right.
Get in 10 minutes before the counters at those other gates.
There's my first coaster. Let's go to the right. Look at the excitement on Aaron's face. Oh, full throttle. You won't do that one right now. You can watch it go a couple times, but that's another one that you might like. But we're not doing it right now. It's kind of like electric eel.
Oh, really?
Uh-huh. That's why I say I want us to go on it first.
What?
But there, it's kind of like electric eel. Like I said, let us go on some of them first so I make sure. But the ones I want you to go on, I know. And I haven't been wrong yet. But this is the one you saw and it looked cool that you wanted to go on. Do you recognize it?
Cool. The moon's like right in the center.
Oh yeah, that is pretty cool. Alrighty, I'll take little videos. We're in the head of the crowd. Alright. We're about to go on Scream and Twisted Colossus. Those are our first two stops of the day. This is Gearworks Twerkmas? Crunkus? What's it called?
It's steampunk Christmas basically.
The music's cool, right? It beats
Like steampunk Christmas.
well, it's better than Nat King Cole and Mariah Carey and all the other ones we've heard. Have a Six Flags day. Yeah, there's a.
The attractions have
Ah, we'll do Scream then. Probably isn't fully staffed yet. We'll get you, Twisted Colossus. Whoops, can't hear you.
Hi guys, Aaron here, and I just went on this monster thing.
Yeah, how many times do you think it went upside down?
I don't know, like 8 or 9.
Yeah, I think 8 or 10. Yeah, here's one of the. I think it has like 8 inversions.
Here it comes.
Yeah, it's a floorless coaster. So you went on a new type of two new types of coasters so far today.
Yeah.
You went on a floorless and a swinging one. But you can see. I don't have to show you the whole coaster because you can watch it on a different video. But
Yeah. There's plenty of point of view videos.
right.
And it's super loud.
Yeah, it's very loud. All right, let's go. Not have a hamburger. All right, Aaron. We're about to go on Riddler's Revenge. This giant behemoth again. We a little bit.
My first stand-up coaster.
Yeah, weren't you intimidated by it?
Yeah.
And are you intimidated by it? Yeah, we're excited to go on again. Yeah.
Justice League here, Magic Mountain, that has a lot of differences. I'm not going to tell you because I don't want to spoil it for everyone.
That's a good point. Yeah, but it's almost not the same ride as Great America's at all.
Or any other park that has it. Every other park that has it is pretty much exactly the same.
Yeah, the only thing I didn't care for about this version of the Justice League is the way they hold you in the pre-show rooms. Like at Great America, you just walk through it and you can hear it as you walk. But other than that, that's a mild. I mean, there's nobody here, so it's not a big deal. But I gotta imagine on busier days, it's a pain in the butt. But
yeah.
So now we're going on this really tall, upside down, multiple times, stand up. And Aaron can't decide if this is his favorite or not.
Well, Scream isn't my favorite, but I think Riddler's of Revenge is pretty close to Scream.
Yeah. Cool. All right, we'll get on this. Hopefully those clouds aren't. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I know.
You have to speak louder since the coaster is going by.
Yeah, okay, bye. Close your eyes. Where does it feel like you are right now? Does it taste a lot like it? It's basically the same?
Yeah. But there's something about it that tastes a little different. Like, it tastes more Six Flags-y.
That's interesting. I didn't know Six Flags had a taste.
Their chicken tenders taste the same way.
Yeah, gotcha.
Well, not the same. That would be weird if it tasted the same. Like,
Yeah, my mango.
pineapple. But like, no, I could taste like the same difference from like regular other things, like regular restaurants.
Yeah, my mango one's good.
I call it the Six Flags effect.
Alright.
That's what happens to food when Six Flags serves it.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing or just
It's an okay.
It's a what?
Okay.
I like your theory. Shannon's on her mommy's on her quest to get soda. I don't know if she'll be successful or not. Alright, after this we've got like 4 more coasters to go on, I think. And hopefully it doesn't rain on us. It's getting gloomy, getting a little chilly. And what time is it?
Well, I already felt raindrops.
Yeah. It's 2:30. We got another 3.5 hours. We'll see what happens. Bye. Alright, we're at the backside of Magic Mountain.
I need my electric blankie. It's so cold, it snowed here. It's
Yeah.
high in a mountain.
I think those are white flowers.
They're not white flowers, it's actually
But anyway, we went on all the coasters here except for the one that's well, there's quite a few that are closed, but
We're gonna see if the observation tower is.
yeah, we're gonna see if we can get up to the observation tower. I don't think so, but we can always check.
I thought I saw people up there. I'm not sure, but I might.
Okay, we'll find out. But anyway, we went on all the coasters we can go on, except for the ones that are closed. Unfortunately, the one I really wanted to go on is not opening today, Twisted Colossus, which is a shame, because Aaron would have went on that too. But, oh well. Aaron went on a lot of coasters today.
Yeah.
What do you think your final coaster count was for this park? 8, 9?
at least 6.
Yeah, I think it's 8 or 9.
So I agree.
Yeah, we could go over it later. Yeah.
And then there's 3 mini coasters he went on. Oh, and then Ninja and Gold Rusher, so 8.
8?
Yeah.
Cool.
It would have been 10 if more coasters were open.
Right. Tatsu. I think that's my favorite coaster now.
Yeah, Tatsu was
Yeah.
fantastic. We would like to welcome you to Six Flags Magic Mountain Holidays in the Park. We always like to go to Six Flags and see what's left over from
Yeah, the
Fright Fest.
Yeah.
And if they miss anything, well, hello, that's kind of clearly obvious. Right?
I just like the juxtaposition of the music and then, yeah, this.
Keep out for now.
All right, we're here about a half hour before rope drop, and we're leaving. What, like 3 minutes to close? 5 minutes to close.
5:55.
What are your final thoughts on Great America? Oh, Great America, Jesus. What are the final thoughts on Magic Mountain? It's good. What do you like most about it that's different than the other ones you've been on, like Great America?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
I like the fact that it's on a mountain. So even though the coasters aren't really that tall, they seem like a lot taller than they actually are.
Well, some of them are really freaking tall.
Well, I know, but because it's on a mountain, it even makes them that
Yeah,
tall.
gotcha. Like Tatsu?
Yeah, like Tattoo felt like we were up 500 feet.
Yeah, especially right there. That feels nuts when you're looking over the entrance.
Yeah,
And they're,
so high.
yeah, it is.
But really it's not because you're on a mountain.
Right.
But
I-
when they measure it from like where the posts are, right?
I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm
But
guessing
if they
so.
do, and the posts are already a good 50 feet up the side of that mountain.
Yeah.
Plus we're on a mountain, so when you're
Yeah.
up there, it just feels like you're really high.
Uh-huh. But Aaron says this was his favorite Six Flags park he's been to so far.
It's my favorite.
Yeah, it's my favorite too. Mommy prefers Six Flags New England, which is also a good choice. That might be my third. No, it might be my second. I like Great America.
I like Great America too.
Yeah, I
That's a
know.
really good park.
Yeah.
And I like Great America because it's themed, really. Like some of the parks are themed. Like I never really felt like any of this was really themed. Maybe the summit, like the
Samurai Summit?
Samurai Summit's kind of themed, but like other than that, like I didn't really feel much theming anywhere.
Yeah. Still, overall, this gets a high Six Flags score. This is a solid A park.
Oh, but the food options for the
yeah.
dining pass like rock.
Yeah.
Like Jason got mango Dole Whip, and it was so good with like real fresh fruit. And I had to settle with some crappy chicken tacos, but they were even really
They
good.
even had a pineapple roll and flow.
Yeah.
Right, and then you can, on the snack credit, you can get the Johnny Rockets humongous shake with whipped cream and a cherry.
And it was good.
Yeah, it was really good.
Yeah. And overall, the dining options, some of them are closed just because the park is so dead, but
But there was more ice cream than it was shake.
yeah, that's true. That's not a bad thing, is it?
No.
All right, well, now heading over to Santa Monica, where we're gonna have our last night in Southern California. That's sad. I already checked into Southwest. Our flight leaves tomorrow at 4:15, so we've got about 22 hours left to enjoy beautiful California before we go to beautiful Illinois, but it's a lot colder. A lot. Hey Aaron. Oh wait, we'll probably do one more video, so don't forget about pressing the button. All right, bye. Alrighty, we're just enjoying our stroll down the Santa Monica Pier. Well, not the pier. The pier's over there.
To the pier.
To the pier.
From our hotel.
From our hotel. It's
Our
a
hotel's pretty much like right between Venice Beach and Santa Monica Pier, which is kind of cool.
and only 2 blocks from the actual beach,
Right.
which is awesome.
Pretty cheap.
Yeah.
I did splurge a little low for our budget.
What's splurging? Just so people know.
It was $160.
Right, that's our splurging in a hotel room. But it is an absolute gorgeous night. It's what, like probably 62, 65 right now?
Yeah. Maybe a little warmer because we're
Yeah.
by the ocean.
Yeah.
I don't know. It feels
Anyway.
warm.
Anyway, it's absolutely gorgeous for our last night. We're gonna go down to the pier, check that out for a little bit, then go back to our room and relax. It's only,
That'd be the only video you get because his phone's at like 10%.
yeah.
And I left my phone in the hotel room.
Yeah. Well, I can always plug it in. We can do we'll do a recap video anyway. We won't do it right now. But yeah, this might be the last video you get outside the hotel room.
Ferris wheel.
Yeah. We're gonna be over there in a little bit. I really, really, really love Southern California. Alrighty, sorry you didn't get any video of us on the pier. My phone's really acting up the last couple days. It's kind of annoying. So, what?
It's draining fast.
Yeah, it is draining fast. So maybe I do deserve a new phone for going on X2. Yeah, now she's laughing. I should have took her up on that design.
$2.50 candy bar.
Holy cow, that was $2.50.
I don't know, but this little tiny bag of popcorn is small. This candy bar and Daddy's candy bar was $5.60-some.
Oh wow, that's
But
what.
Santa Monica is expensive.
Yeah, it is.
Do you know what? I got
Chicken
this
butt.
coffee, the small ice cream cone, and the ice cream sandwich. Guess how much it was?
I don't want to know.
No, you don't.
Okay.
It was almost $17.
Oh my gosh! And I told you I didn't want to know that. That's crazy. All right,
Mhm.
whatever. We're on vacation. We can pay that price. Did I have enough cash for that?
Yeah.
Okay, but anyway, we had fun at the pier even though the coaster was closed.
I closed at 7. We
yeah.
got there at like 8:30.
So I guess we'll go there tomorrow at noon probably. We'll wander around Venice Beach tomorrow, and then we head off to the airport. So tomorrow's going to be a lazy day for the most part. We're not even going to set an alarm for tomorrow.
Oh yeah, guess how many steps we walked today? 34,000
How many flights of stairs did you walk?
flights of stairs.
Yeah.
74 flights of stairs. I think Daddy had 80 flights of stairs.
Yeah. Oh shit, I have mine charging. But yeah, mine was a little higher than that because I went back and forth, and I went on more coasters with Aaron.
I burned 4,075.
All right, okay, Aaron. We know where we're going tomorrow. We're really getting off. We don't need all this.
We're going here, and well, we're going to Venice Beach, and then we're going to the airport.
Yep. So all that's left to do is press that button, bud.